YouTube, what's up? Just got off work, sitting in the Shelby. I thought I'd do a little video. One of my Facebook friends said I need to start posting more on YouTube because I post so much on my other social media platforms about the car. So I'm like, let me just go through and do a little dash view. The funny thing is, a little bit below half a tank and 86 miles to E. 86, yeah, I know that's low. When I had my ZR1, half a tank was way over 100, but this car got a little small gas tank. Right now, this usually the dash I ride on, or I can switch it up. Engine oil pressure, all the good temperatures and stuff. Oh, trying to get it to focus. That gauge, that's one of my favorite. Don't use that one, don't care about it. Then I can, of course, got the switches down here, the usual stuff. Let's see. Right now the exhaust is in track mode. It's the quietest. Then you have quiet mode. That's quiet. Now you just hear nothing but blower now. Yeah, nothing but blower. My neighbors are probably gonna call HOA on me now. yeah, I live with here, but got the sport. The dash will change with it. Got track. That's one of my favorite because it has the light. Let's see, can y'all see it? Yeah, y'all can see it. I don't want to rev it now because it's in track mode, so the exhaust is all the way open. Yeah, this mode's cool. When driving normally, it shifts real high. It shifts like at 4,500, 5 grand. So usually I shift it manually, but it's usually in the power band, so it's ready to go. It's not really meant for driving every day. Then you have drag strip. Everybody know what that is. Same. It looks the same. Slippery. Looks just like that. It doesn't really do nothing. So it just really takes, pretty much you slide a little bit, it takes the power out. But I don't need it. Common sense, you don't need that. But this is usually my normal mode. This is what I usually just ride in. I got that. Then if I hit the Cobra button, then you have all your track apps, your shift, your gauges, track app, line light, launch control, and all that nonsense. Everybody knows what that's for if you're a car guy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll start posting more on YouTube, baby. All right, later.